Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset a PS4 Slim. Okay, everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. These are videos for education purpose only. Okay, before you do a factory reset, you need to back up all of your games, pictures, data, whatever you have in there. You need to back it up because everything will be removed. Okay, so we need a controller connected to the USB. Okay, right here is the controller, here is the PS4 Slim, and we need to connect the power and the HDMI and connect it to the monitor or computer. Okay, so as you see over there, it's connected the HDMI through the PS4 and the power. Okay, and also okay, so now we need to press the power button here. I don't know, you can see it right here. Press it until you hear 2 beeps. 1, 2, and now release it and go to the monitor. And then you get this message: connect the dual shock for using the USB cable, and then press the PS button. Okay, so let's press it here. This one is okay, and then we get this menu here, and then from here we need to go to restore default settings. So we need to go with the arrow keys right here. Okay, right there, restore default settings. Okay, so then press enter. The settings will be returned to the default values. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, that means it's gonna delete everything. Okay, so if you are agree, press yes and enter. Okay, right now it's doing it. I'm gonna pause my video sometime so it won't be super long. Okay, we got this blue screen, and then just it's asking to connect the controllers. Is already connected, so press enter. The PS2. Okay, PS2. It was the PS2, and then right from here you need to choose your language. So English, enter. Checking network environment. Okay, US Wi-Fi, use Wi-Fi or US LAN. I want to set up later, so I'm gonna go here, later, enter, and then connect PlayStation camera, skip, and then let me choose my Central Time, US Canada, enter. Depends yours, so this is 7:31, yes, next. Just power saving, next. I use power, next. Setup of your PS4 is complete. Enjoy an exciting world of entertainment. Start now, enter. Okay guys, so that's the way you factory reset your PS4. So now is everything is deleted and removed. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, and check my other videos. Have a great day.